Hello, everyone. Dan here from the Next Issue Podcast. On today's video, as you probably saw in the thumbnail, we're gonna finally get into one of our boxes of Star Wars Unlimited. This is the new set, Shadows of the Galaxy. Very excited to get into this. So let's crack open this box. I was able to already attend a pre-release event, so that was really cool. So here you can see the pre-release box. The games went okay. It was I went 2-1, so but we'll talk about that later on. Let's bring in our other camera here. All right. We're gonna get into this. We're gonna get through 24 packs, obviously. Looking for a showcase. We should get at least 3 legendary cards. But I'm very excited to see what to pull here. The one thing I really want to pull is a Dr. Afra showcase. That's just one of my favorite characters, so I'm very excited to see if we can make that happen. All right, here we go. I don't think there's a box topper on these. That's a shame, because I would love some little extra goodies. But yeah, here we go. 24 packs in and out. Let's see how this goes. As you already know, these are the nice paper packs. So I'm going to try to stay on center. So these are pretty easy to open, even after you go through a lot of them. So, and then obviously the showcase is the giveaway right at the front. So we have a Boba Fett leader. There are no rare locations this time around, so we'll just kind of go through this. Oh, we got a hyperspace twin pod cloud card. That's nice. We have the uncommons here. Another uncommon. This should be a rare. Let the Wookiee win. Nice rare. Not the biggest fan of the art here. And then an Embo non-common foil. All right, we'll put the rares off to the side. I guess I should put everything off to the side. Gonna need to do a lot of organization. Maybe I'll just do some live streams. Keep me motivated to organize. Oh my, look at that. These babies just rip right off. And Jabba the Hutt, another new leader here. Most of these cards are gonna be new. There's a few reprints, but we do have the Spice Mines. All right, let's kind of go through this. Nothing too crazy. We got a hyperspace fugitive Wookiee. That's nice. We're on to the uncommons. Oh, Chrysanthemum. I like that. A jetpack. Nice. Salacious Crumb. A Bembrace Flamethrower. Really good card. I got my ass handed to me a few times with that one. And then Resourceful Pursuers. Their foil. Pack number 3. We have another Boba Fett leader. Be rich with Bobas, apparently. Okay. So this said we are introduced bounties, which is like these are upgrades that you put on your enemies' units, and then when they are defeated or captured, there's stuff you can do. Oh, we got a nice hunting Nexu hyperspace. I see something fun in the back, I think. This was a pretty fun card to play with in the pre-release. This one as well. A lot of underworld pieces. The armor, some uncommons. Cassian. We have a rare Mystic Reflection. Ooh, we have our first legendary, the Finalizer. Not the biggest fan of this legendary. And then we have a rare Tartful as our foil. Wow, pretty good. We got 2 rares and 1 legendary in this pack. So we'll leave the legendary over here to keep track of that. That's nice. Hyperspace rare. That's always nice to have. Those are good for trading. I'm not one of the people that needs to have all their cards be hyperspace, so I don't mind using those for trade bait. All right. Give me a second to move some stuff around. Next pack. All right. Slowly reveal. Oh, we have Gar Saxon. We have a video of him already on the channel. I played against Carlos in the pre-release event. Fire Battle Tank. All right. See, look at all these Underworld Bounty Hunter cards. It's gonna be a fun set. Uncommons here. Top target. Okay. Oh, we have a rare, Wild Rancor. Fun. That's a nice rare. And we have a Covered Strength as our foil. All right. One legendary down. Hopefully, at least 2 to go. You can get 3 if you get it in the spot of the hyperspace foil. We have Han Solo as one of our leaders. And we have a hyperspace remote village. That's nice. See, no bargain. Forlom, uncommon. We have our rare Crag and Gore. And we have an Outlaw of Corona as our foil. My goal is also to have all the leaders in hyperspace at least. So I can pick and choose. Okay, and we have a Bo-Katan Kryze as a leader here. Okay. We have our commons. We have our uncommons here, a Millennium Falcon. It's got ambush, and you can smuggle. Smuggle's also another new play mechanic. Ooh, we have our second legendary, a Crate Dragon. Very nice. 9, 10, 10 with Overwhelm. And when an opponent plays a card, deal damage equal to that card's cost to their base or ground unit they control. That's crazy. And then we have a Guavian Antagonizer as our foil. Not a bad pack. Oh, that's... we're not even that far into the pack and we've already pulled 2 legendaries. So there should be at least one more. But sometimes the odd don't pan out. I didn't get a legendary in my pre-release kit. That was crazy. Oh, nice. Very nice. Hyperspace, Cad Bane. Very cool. Put that over there. Definitely going to be playing Cad Bane. A lot of Underworld. I think Cad Bane's just a really easy deck to build at first when while the meta gets figured out. We have a rare Bazine Neta, which goes with, and we also have an uncommon Enfys Nest foil. Not too shabby. Come on. Give me that showcase. All right, we have Bosk. This is another deck I want to try to build. We have a Hyperspace Spice Mines. And those are really nice for aesthetics. Oh, we have a Hyperspace Discerning Veteran. This is a Bounty Hunter card. Oh, we have a Hyperspace in the back too. Let's not ruin it. All right, we have another Chrysanthemum. Oh, we have a Wild Rancor, Hyperspace. Oh, that's one of our rares. Hold on, what's going on here? Then we have Elephant Mon as a rare. And then a Hyperspace Foil Cartel Turncoat. So 2 rares on this one. And a Hyperspace Foil. Very nice. I hope that's a playable card. so that I can definitely use that to trade or maybe even sell. Hyperspace foils are interesting because their value can vary so much. Still only 2 legendaries. Another Bosk leader. Another Spice Mines. A lot of these common cards are, of course, going to repeat a lot as you get through a box. Uncommon. Oh, I do want a Lady Proxima for the Cat Bane deck. We have our third legendary Supreme Leader Snoke. That's really interesting. He's an 8 cost, 6/6. Each enemy non-leader gets -2/-2. That'll kill a lot of small units and then really hurt some of the other ones. And a foil Village Protector. So that's 3 legendaries already. So are we out of legendaries here, or am I gonna be a lucky one and get a 4th? We'll just have to stay tuned and find out. Ooh. Last time I pulled a showcase, there was a lot of legendaries in it too. So I don't know. That was a probably the best box I've ever opened when I pulled Sabine. It had 4 legendaries on it too. It was a crazy box. I think it's somewhere on the stream. All right, we have Hondo Anaka. We have a Chain Collector, Hyperspace. Very nice. A lot of Wookiees as well. A lot of Wookiees, Mandalorians, Bounty Hunters, Underworld stuff. We have a rare Altering the Deal. And an uncommon Gale Target foil. Another Hondo here. Hondo Anaka. Okay. We have a Hyperspace Gentle Giant. It's very nice if you play a raid deck or a Han deck. All right, we have some uncommons. We have a Hyperspace Bazine. That's nice. And we have, double rare. We have a double rare pack because we have a Wrecker who's a rare. We have Bazine who's also a rare. And then we have our foil. I like the double rare packs. They give me hope. Hope that something good is on the way. Ooh, very nice. Hyperspace Bosk. Very cool. All right, we have uncommons here. Forlom. We have another, okay. We have a rare Chewbacca. Very nice. And then we have our foil Cartel Turncoat. Ooh, we pulled our first Ray Leader. Very nice. Another character that I really want to try out. We'll see how that goes. Oh, careful now. Okay, we have a Reputable Hunter, Hyperspace. Fugitive Wookiee. We are onto the uncommons. Mercenary Gunship. Enfys Nest. We have Jabba's Rancor, which is different to the other Rancor that we pulled earlier. And then we have a rare Imprisoned. And the Armorer as our foil uncommon. Very cool. We're about halfway through the box. Still no offer leaders, huh? I know she's not the crowd favorite card, but I just want one. Another Ray, very nice. Another Death Watch. Am I gonna get just the same pack again? Okay. Okay. Onto the uncommons with Felled Dragon. That's a good card. IG-11, very nice. Zuckus, General Rican, and our Hunter from the Haxion Brood as our foil. Oh, we have Kira. We have Navarro City. Let's go through these. We have our uncommons. A Heavy Fighter. Zinara-san. I don't know where that character's from. Oh, we have something shiny in the back. Ketsu Onyo. We have a rare Survivor's Gauntlet and a Hyperspace Foil Covetous Rivals. Very cool. Oh, wait. Did I mix these up? Yeah. Okay. We are about 2/3 of the way. I would say maybe 3/4 of the way with this one, or after this one. We have Gar Saxon, a Hyperspace Moss Castle. Okay. Easy breezy. Oh, Surprise Strike. That's actually a reprint from the first set. Bo-Katan. Ooh, very an uncommon. Hyperspace. Jetpack. Palpatine's Return. One of the best rares in the biz. And Hunting Nexu as our foil. Not a bad haul. We may not get the 4th legendary, but I do have 6-pack left, so we're actually still, yeah, like I said, 3/4 of the way. Or yeah, 3/4. The 610 Force 24. Another Cad Bane leader. Another castle from Maskatana. We just got this in Hyperspace Foil. Hyperspace Hawk 2 Freighter. 290 Freighter. McClunky. McClunky's an excellent card. In New Adventure, we have another uncommon. We have Echo. We have Unexpected Escape. We have Tobias Beckett as our rare. And then we have a Sundry Peacekeeper as our foil. Okay. Chugging along. 5 packs left, including this one in my hand. Hello, Fennec Shan, Hyperspace. Hello, Carnet City, Hyperspace, double Hyperspace. That's very interesting. Back to back. Pike Sentinel, Desperado Freighter. Okay, see here. Gamorrean Piggy. We have our own common, the Punishing One, a Coruscant Dissident, Crosshair. We have a rare Ruthlessness, and a Warbird Stowaway as our rare, as our foil. Okay. And then there were 4. Lando Calrissian in Navarro City. Another Freighter Starfighter. All right, let's go through these commons. Any more hyperspaces? We have our uncommon, Carbonite, Privateer Crew. Rose. Rose is a good one. We have a rare, Give Into Your Anger. And then we have a Ruthless Assassin as our foil. Oh, I miscounted the packs. There's still 5 left, so I guess I was at 8 instead of 6. I mean, more packs, more fun, I guess. Another Cad Bane. I think the game really wants me to play Cad Bane, I guess. The real question is which color? Ooh, Smuggler's Aid. That's a nice hyperspace. I actually don't like the normal one. It's got a weird white boundary. We have a Spark of Hope. Our rare is Zori Blizz. Ooh, and a Previsla hyperspace foil. That's nice. That's a rare. I'm going to put that over here. I think it deserves to be up there. That's a good one. That's a good pull. I think anything that's hyperspace foil as a rare, rare cards obviously are rare for a reason, but it can go. Ooh, we have Finn, hyperspace Finn. I don't think it'll go as high as some of the higher legendaries, but it can go pretty high as far as the price. So that's nice. And like I said, good trade bait. A lot of people like to bling out their decks, so I get that. I don't particularly need to do that, but I understand people that we have Fenrao, Guild Target, another Millennium Falcon, a First Light as our rare, and another hyperspace foil, the Govian Antagonizer, everybody's favorite gang in Force Awakens. They were there for like a whole 5 minutes. They had such a cool design though, so hey. All right. Ooh, Fennec Shant. I didn't even. That had been a showcase. It would have hit me right in the face. Okay. Oh, see, I don't like the Smuggler's Aid that we got earlier. I don't like the way the normal card looks. Wheel. This is the way. A rare is our Whoa! Whoa! Enterprising Lackeys. And then we got a 4th legendary with Second Chance. Second Chance. That's a good one. Attached to a non-leader, attached unit gets when defeated for this phase. This unit's owner may play it from the discard pile for free. Wow. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. All right. Okay. 2 packs left. We got another Han Solo here. Then we got another hyperspace foil back there. We'll see. It's Fennec Shan as a hyperspace. Our rare is Sugi. And then we just, this guy. I hate this guy. I have so many of this guy from the first set. All right. Are we going to get some last pack magic? I mean, we already got 4 legendaries, so that's pretty cool already. So, not mad at it. And another Fennec Shan. So, no showcase this time around, unfortunately, but it is what it is. Another McClunky. Definitely want a few sets of McClunky so I can bounce them around between decks. Okay, our rare is Choose Sides. And then an uncommon Ketsu Onyo as the foil. There you have it. I think we did pretty decent. I mean, 4 legendaries is not bad. So we have our second chance foil legendary. We have our great dragon. We have our finalizer. We have Supreme Leader Snoke. And then, of course, our hyperspace foil, Pre Vizsla. So there it is. Not too shabby. All right. So there you have it. That's the box. That's the first box. We'll definitely have more videos. I bought a full case, which is 6 boxes. So yeah, I'll keep opening packs and I'll be going to events and cracking packs on shorts and stuff. So make sure to stay tuned for that. So if you have bought any Star Wars stuff, let me know. What have you pulled? What decks are you planning to run? We got gameplay videos on the channel, so stay tuned for that. And stay tuned. We have more comic reviews, trailer reactions, TV recaps, all that fun stuff here on the channel. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye bye.